When you encounter the party typewriter at a bar, a fundraiser, a corporate cookout, or any other event, there's usually going to be a sign like this so that you'll know it's safe to approach the party typewriter. You may be questioned, and the party typewriter might ask you even to write your name at the top of one of these cards. Then, why not write a letter to one of your friends to mess with them about something in real life that happened? So you'll put the name of the person the letter is going to, the real life specific event that the party typewriter will write something funny about, and that's it. Give it back. The party typewriter will write the piece on the other side for you to pick up later. The other option is the word prompt poem. You'll put your name at the top of the sheet. There are 3 word prompts. You will simply write a word down. You can think of them yourself, or in this case, the party typewriter has generated 3 random word prompts: favorite actor, European country, and a reptile.
Little bastards.
Then the third option is the person will write their name at the top of the sheet, leave it blank, return it to the party typewriter, and on the other side will be a complete poem, story, or whatever the party typewriter generates. Thanks a lot, and the party typewriter really hopes to write something for you in the future.